Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Saba. I am a makeup artist and I'm here to share with you a lot of tips and tricks about makeup. So you're gonna see a lot of makeup tutorials, beauty products reviews, and I hope you to enjoy. When I decided to open my YouTube channel, I wanted to start with a great lighting, good quality. So I thought I have to buy a ring light first. I almost had a journey to choose one because I saw a lot of ring lights and ring lights reviews with so many different informations, and it was a little hard for me to choose one because I really didn't know which one is the best and which one is gonna work for me better. So I thought a lot of people might have this problem too. I'm gonna do a ring light unboxing for you with some main information.
Why are we still here?
At the end, I bought a newer LED ring light set. It's extremely slim. It's about 1.8 centimeter and it's 18-inch. Common sizes on Amazon are 12, 14 and 18. It's a little personal which one you want to choose, but I needed a bigger one. The color temperature range is between 3200K and 5600K. Second important point is temperature control. You have to look for a ring light that gives you control over video color temperature and brightness. This ensures consistent true to color results that are so important for things like YouTube tutorials and like that. Color temperature is measured in Kelvin. The best range is between 3200 and 6000K. Third point is CRI, color rendering index. To have more natural and vivid light, CRI should be 90 plus, which mine is 92. Last but not least is about accessories and attachments. Certain things that make your ring light easier to use than others are ring lights with adapter that let you mount your camera or your phone directly onto the light, so it makes it fast and easy to get that perfect setup. It also comes with a clicker. You can connect it to your phone with Bluetooth, and what I really like about this is that it makes it a lot easier to roll solo, so you don't have to rely on someone else or go back and forth between takes. So I think it's very important.
And as you see, it has 180-degree rotating head for flexible use and 360-degree rotating phone holder, which I think this ability is very useful.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!